Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign in Ubisoft account with Xbox account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that matter, first of all, go ahead and access your Ubisoft account. Afterwards, you simply have to add in your Ubisoft account's credentials and sign in. Then you're gonna tap on this profile icon on top right and simply have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, tap on account management. For the sake of for you to access your Ubisoft from your Xbox, you have to link them account together. For that matter, come to your account management, tap on account information, again all the way to the bottom, and in the linked account section, tap on this Xbox and tap on this link option. You can see the account you're about to link will become the reference Xbox account for your Ubisoft experience. You will still be able to unlink it from the Ubisoft account itself. Please refer, etc. Tap on this continue option. Now you will find a tab where you will have to enter your Xbox account information and tap on next and simply link it. Once you have linked it, you will be able to use it, but you have to make sure that you have unlinked your Xbox from the previous account that you won't be using. Make sure you have chosen to link the correct account which you would like to use, and you will be able to use it accordingly. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.